Hello everyone and welcome to Keeru's online lectures. I am Keeru and today's topic is Haloalkanes and Haloarenes part 5. So in part 1 we studied introduction, reaction in organic chemistry, nucleophilic substitution and elimination reaction. In part 2 we studied mechanism of nucleophilic substitution and elimination reaction and stereochemistry. In part 3 preparation and reaction of alkyl halides. In part 4 preparation and reaction of aryl halides. Now in part 5 we are going to study reaction of special alkyl halide and about Tri-Halides and Tetra halides. So starting with reaction of dihalides. So basically what are dihalides? So there are two types of dihalides. The one is gem dihalide and other one is vicinal dihalides. When two halogen groups are attached to one carbon, so it is known as gem dihalides. When two halogen groups are attached to two different carbon atoms, then it is known as gem dihalides. Now coming on to preparation of dihalides. So we can prepare dihalides from alkenes and alkynes by the halogenation process. So like we have alkene CH2 double bond CH2. When halogenation is carried on, then halogen group will be attached. Thus we will get over here vicinal dihalides. But if we are taking over here alkynes, on addition of HX, we get over here gem dihalides. So this is how dihalides can be prepared from alkynes and alkenes. Second is with PCl5 with diols and carbonyl compounds. So diols, that is CH2OH. So when PCl5 will react with them, this OH and OH will be replaced by Cl. Thus we will get CH2Cl. This is how vicinal dihalide can be prepared by PCl5 with diols. Second is carbonyl, that is CH3CHO. On reacting with PCl5, here we will get CH3CHCl2. So gem dihalide can be prepared. Now coming on to the properties of these dihalides. So first is with alcoholic KOH. So let's suppose we have gem dihalide CH2X. So when it reacts with alcoholic KOH involves elimination of hydrogen and halogen. So thus we will get over here alkyne. Similarly, if we have gem dihalide CHX2 on reaction with alcoholic KOH of gem dihalides, it again involves the removal of HX. So again we will get alkyne. Next is with zinc dust. So CH2 vicinal dihalides on reaction with zinc dust. So when vicinal dihalides react with zinc dust, this Zn, X and X will be removed. Thus we will get over here CH2 double bond CH2. Second we have gem dihalide. So when gem dihalides react with zinc dust, it also gives alkenes. So this is how dihalides reacts with zinc dust. Next is aqueous KOH. So when we have vicinal dihalide CH2CH2X on reaction with aqueous KOH, so here X group will be substituted by OH. So we'll get diols. This is known as ethynyl diol. Similarly, if we have vicinal dihalide, that is CH3CHX CH2X, if it reacts with aqueous KOH, we will get CH3CH OH CH2OH. So this is how vicinal dihalides reacts with aqueous KOH. Now vicinal dihalide, Zem dihalides with aqueous KOH. So when Gem dihalides, we have CH3CHX2 when it reacts with aqueous KOH. So over here, both the X halogen atoms will be replaced by hydroxide group OH whole twice. OH whole twice is unstable, so there will be removal of water. Thus we will get CH3CHO. Similarly, if we have CH3CX2CH3, this is also Gem dihalide. So we will get over here CH3COH whole twice CH3. Again, two OH group on one carbon is unstable. So elimination of water will take place. Since these hydroxide groups are not attached to the terminal position, they are attached to the middle position. So we will get over here ketone. So this is how these all are the properties of special alkyl halides, that is vicinal and Gem dihalides. Now coming on to Tri-Halides and Tetra halides. So chloroform, which is CHCl3, this is trihalide. CHBr3 bromoform, this is trihalides, that is 3 halogen groups are attached. Then we have CHCl3. So this then we have CHI3. This is also trihalide, which is iodoform, which is a yellow solid. And tetrahalides, when 4 halogen groups are attached, which is CCl4. So carbon tetrachloride, which is in the liquid form. So in today's video, we studied how to prepare these special alkyl halides and properties of special alkyl halides, that is vicinal and Gem dihalides. Hope you guys are finding videos helpful. So do like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.